Tastes like strawberries on a summer evening, and it sounds just like a song. I want your belly and that summer feeling. I don't know if